Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a truly handy tip inside Smartsheet, how to set up row numbers that automatically update themselves, even when you move or add rows. If you've ever needed row numbers to stay accurate no matter how you shuffle your data, well, you're in the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use a formula that keeps your row numbers perfectly in line, saving you time and headaches. Let's dive right in. Imagine you're working inside a Smartsheet and you've got a special column for row IDs. Maybe it's one of those auto number columns. These make sure each row gets a unique identifier, which is important for tracking or referencing data. But now, you want to add another column that shows the row's number based on its position, and you want that number to automatically update if you sort or move the rows around. Static numbers won't cut it. What you need is a dynamic solution that adjusts in real time. So here's how to make that happen using a formula. What we'll use is the match function, which is like a clever detective. It looks for the value you specify and tells you exactly where it sits in a list. Let's walk through it slowly together. First, click into the cell where you want your row number to appear. We're going to build a formula step by step. You'll type in equals, then match just like this, equals match. This is the function that will search for the current row's ID in the whole column of row IDs. Now, you'll need to tell Smartsheet what value you're searching for. Simply click the cell in the same row under your row ID column. You'll see something like row ID at row. Basically, this means take this row's unique ID. Next, add a comma. That tells Smartsheet you're moving to the next part of your formula. Now you want to specify the range where the match function should look for that row ID. To do that, click on the header of the row ID column to highlight it, then paste the column reference right into your formula. Then add a colon and paste the row ID column again so it reads something like row ID, row ID. This part might seem a little odd, but what it does is make sure the match is searching across the entire column of row IDs, top to bottom. After that, add another comma and type 0. That last part tells the formula you're looking for an exact match, not an estimate or a close enough. Then close the parenthesis and hit enter. Smartsheet will instantly show the position number of that row ID in the overall column. If you move this row up or down, the number will update immediately, super useful for tracking order. If this seems a bit technical, don't worry, take it step by step and you'll get the hang of how it works. The key thing to remember is that the match function isn't just about finding a value, it tells you the position, which is exactly what we want for a dynamic row number. There's one last important touch. Right now, the formula only lives in one cell. To make this system automatic for every row in your column, right-click the cell with the formula. In the menu that pops up, select Convert to Column Formula. What this does is tell Smartsheet to apply the same formula logic to every row in that column without you needing to copy and paste it everywhere. Now when you insert or move rows, each one will always get the correct number no matter what. And that's it. With just a simple formula and a couple clicks, you've set up automatic, up-to-date row numbers in Smartsheet. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, maybe you got stuck or want to see more Smartsheet tricks, drop a comment below and I'll be sure to help out. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.